Choosing the right moment can change everything. What if the difference between failure and success wasn't what you did, but when you did it? What if astrology could show you the exact moment the universe says go? Join world-renowned astrologer Dr. Elena Lumen, PhD, for an extraordinary 2-day workshop that condenses her full 5-week Electional Astrology course into an immersive transformational learning experience. Electional Astrology is the ancient art of choosing the perfect moment to begin anything important: a marriage, a business, a journey, even a medical procedure. When the planets align, your chances of success rise dramatically. In this 4-session course, Elena will show you how to identify windows of opportunity, avoid cosmic pitfalls, and select the most favorable energies for your goals in life, love, career, health, and spiritual work. Dr. Elena Lumen has been practicing astrology professionally since 2000 and teaching at top US astrology schools since 2015. Her unique blend of classical knowledge, psychological insight, and real-world practicality makes her one of the most respected teachers in the field today. In this intensive, you will learn how to select the ideal chart for any important event, the planetary signatures that signal success or danger, timing strategies for relationships, business, travel, and well-being, the magical and practical sides of electional work, how to balance theory, intuition, and technique, and the limits, ethics, and nuances of choosing the right moment. This is Electional Astrology made clear, usable, and deeply empowering. Right now, timing matters more than ever. Whether you're a professional astrologer or a student, if you are someone who simply wants to make better decisions, this workshop gives you tools that last a lifetime. Seats are limited. Don't miss the opportunity to study with Dr. Lumen in this rare intensive. Enroll below and learn how to choose your moment when the universe is choosing you.